again. We're now in 2025. So let's look and see what we're up to this year. I think this year we're going to start some new plants that we've never done before. We're going to try some asparagus. So that leads me into 2025 seed haul. Let's check out what we got this year. This year we're going to do some dark red Detroit beets. Haven't tried these ones before. They come in a seed strip, so they're going to be very easy to plant. Where these ones will be an automatic outside sow. And my favorite that we're going to be trying this year is some Barton Seeds asparagus. So I'm going to do these two ways. I'm going to do a direct sow outside, and I'm going to try a couple inside just to see, just to experiment. And I hope you'll be with me on that day. So let's get into our 2025 seed haul. So we have a ton of vegetables that we're going to be planting this year. And as I say tons, I mean tons. Look at them all. We're going to do some white Lisbon seeds of onion. We're going to be doing some leeks. We got some more beets. I'm going to try a new broccoli this year. This year I've never tried these ones before, so they kind of look interesting. These are from Mackenzie. They're easy sows, so they're coated, which is good. We're going to try some zucchini. We have some, these are other beets we're going to be trying. We're going to be trying some cauliflower. I'm going to move you on over here so you get a better look. Come to my table abode. So, excuse me while I move you guys. Just going to get you guys down here so you can see what I'm actually doing. Sorry, guys. So we're going to do some cauliflower. Like I said, some beets, a different type of beet. We're going to try 3 different types of beets this year. We're going to try onions right straight from seed instead of the little balls. Sweet peppers. Got lots of those. Another kind of Brussels sprout. I've had really good luck with Brussels sprouts here in Ontario. And I'm going to do a whole patch. One whole big batch of them in one area of the garden. We are going to do cucumbers. Oh, my white marigolds that we're going to try this year. Never tried them before. We're going to do Roma tomatoes. Lots of those this year. Summer squash. Super sweet hybrid cherry tomatoes. Broccoli. We're going to try the white eggplant this year. Never tried them before. So there's going to be a lot of different types of vegetables that we've never tried before. We're going to do the long red cayenne peppers. Never tried them before. I'm excited to try those. We got lots of beets, lots of tomatoes, lots of cauliflower, carrots, tricolor sweet peppers. I'm going to try the purple ones this year. Got a whole bunch of those ones that came in the mail. I'm going to do cantaloupe. There's more Brussels sprouts, carrots, beefsteak tomatoes. We do those every year. More white, and these are the purple bell peppers. I've never tried them. I heard they're really good. More cauliflower, broccoli. More Brussels sprouts. I told you I'm going to do a lot of those this year. More onions, tricolors, peppers. So let's get into these ones. More beets, leeks. We are going to do, what the heck, hot peppers this year, cayenne peppers, eggplant, zucchini, lettuce. I got some new packs of seeds that I thought you guys would be interested. I've never tried these before. So they're pre-seeded pods. So I'll show you what they look like on the back. So as you can see, the seed's already in there. I just wanted to try these this year just to see what they're like. It's a different type of seeding way. they've had good reviews, so we will see. So these will be an indoor sow. I'm gonna actually do these on my first planting video. And I got 2 of the watermelon. So that's the seed haul for 2025 of vegetables. So we're going to be having a lot of lettuce, spearmint, peppermint. We're going to try a lot of herbs, a lot of spices this year. This year we're going to start canning probably. As you know, all of our food prices have just gone skyrocket and it's ridiculous. So any way that I can save a buck and show you guys how to do it too, I'm happy to do it. If there's anything that you want me to plant or try as an experiment, leave a comment below and I will definitely get out there and get them and we can experiment together. So that's 2025 seed haul of vegetables. I'm just going to put these up on my planter desk. And we're going to get our other seed haul. When I said 2025 was a seed haul, I mean it's a seed haul. Look at all of these ones. These are all the new flowers I'm going to try this year. I'm not going to plant or start every one of these seeds. Oh, sorry. I just hit my laptop and turned it on. So we don't really want to listen to that. So this year, I'm going to do a lot of sweet peas. So I started with some of those. I'm going to get the Caberry Bells. These are such a pretty flower. Cosmos in the pink with the purple. And then we're going to try some Sasha Daisies. Some Black-Eyed Susans. More Cosmos. Sasha Daisies. I'm really excited about these. These are the white marigolds. I've never tried them before. If you have, leave a comment below and let me know how you like them. We're going to go do some coleus. You know I do love my zinnias. I planted them last year. They turned out really well. So I got many in different colors. So these are all so easy. They're all from Mackenzie. They got the coating on them. And I find with the coating, the seeds are a lot better. And 90% of them come up. So I have great product from it. Snapdragons, we're going to do those this year. Hollyhocks, but I'm going to do the deep purple that look almost black. Never tried those ones before. We're going to do some pampas grass in the pink. I haven't tried these ones here before. These are the Chinese lanterns. They look really cool. I thought, hey, might as well try them, right? Some more marigolds, more pampas grass. Love in the Mist, Prism Jewels. They're all different colors, so white, pinks, and blues. We're gonna try the Gleamin' Mahogany. These ones which are great. We got the Aster Renee. More asters in the purple. The California poppies. I did these last year and they worked out so well for us. I'll show you the picture. Aren't they beautiful? More California poppies. More yellow daisy mixes. More sweet peas. The Chinese lanterns. And these are the mixed beneficial bug flowers. So they're almost like a wildflower mix. But I tried them a few years ago and they really pretty. So that is our seed haul for 2025. Hope you come along with all this planting that we're going to be doing this year. And if you want anything for me to grow, leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it sure does help me, and I really appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye now.